A recurve bow is a type of traditional bow characterized by its curved limbs, which bend away from the archer when the bow is unstrung. This design gives the recurve bow its distinctive shape and enhances its performance. A recurve bow consists of several key parts, limbs. These are the upper and lower parts of the bow that bend when the bow is drawn. They're typically made from materials like wood, fiberglass, or carbon. The curvature of the limbs helps the bow store and release energy efficiently. The riser is the central part of the bow that an archer holds, and it's also the part that holds the other pieces together. The riser is made of wood, aluminum, carbon fiber, or a combination of these materials. Grip is the part of the riser where the archer holds the bow. It's designed to be comfortable and is sometimes padded or ergonomically shaped. The string is crucial for transferring the energy from the limbs to the arrow. The string runs from one end of the limbs to the other. Arrow rest is the part of the riser where the arrow sits before being shot. It can be a simple rest or a more sophisticated setup with adjustments for different arrow types and shooting styles. Sight is an optional accessory mounted on the riser to help the archer aim more accurately. Sights can be simple pins or more advanced with scopes and micro adjustments. Stabilizer is attached to the riser to help balance the bow and reduce vibration after the shot. Bowstring silencers are small accessories attached to the string to reduce noise and vibration when the bow is fired. Nocking point, the place on the bowstring where the arrow nock is fitted. The mechanism of a recurve bow involves several key principles and components working together to enable efficient energy transfer and accurate shooting. Here's a detailed look at how a recurve bow functions. When you draw the bowstring, you pull the limbs back, causing them to bend. The recurve design, with its curved tips, allows the limbs to store more energy than a straight-limbed bow. This is because the recurve shape enables the limbs to flex more deeply, and return to their original shape more forcefully. The curved limbs of the recurve bow act as a spring. When drawn, they store potential energy due to the tension created in the limbs. The energy stored in the limbs is proportional to the draw length and the draw weight of the bow. When the string is released, the stored energy in the limbs is transferred to the string and then to the arrow. The recurve design helps the limbs to snap back more quickly and efficiently, propelling the arrow forward with greater force and speed. And this is how a recurve bow works.